Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today I will be making some beautiful fabric pumpkins. Well, let's get started. So to start off, I'm going to take my piece of fabric and I am going to cut a 13-inch by 7-inch piece. I am making quite a bit of these, but I'm going to start off with white as I love the look of white. And I am folding it together, and now I'm going to hot glue down on my piece of fabric. Or an alternative way is you can sew it up. Either one is perfectly fine. This is going to be the bottom of the pumpkin. So I'm just going to sew all the way around and make sure you're doing tight stitching, and I'm sure you'll get the hang of it. Right now I'm ending it off, having a little bit of difficult time getting my needle through, but you want to make sure it's fully sewn all the way around so that way no stuffing will fall out of it. Once you think you've secured it, now I'm going to take my scissors and cut my thread and ending it off with a nice knot. Once you have completed that, flip it inside out and it should look like this. Now I'm going to take my kitty stuffer, as I like to call it, and gather some stuffing. Make sure you stuff your pumpkin quite well. Alright, it's time to take my needle and thread again and sew up the top. I'm going to do the same thing that I did at the bottom, except this is going to be steps so you will be able to see the result better. Also, a helpful tip is to always make sure you have enough thread attached to your needle. Countless times I've reached the end without having enough thread to tie my knot. Whenever it gets completely closed up, I'm going to grab my needle and thread once again, and I'm going to wrap it around the pumpkin. Though first, take your needle and go through the middle of your pumpkin, and with that same thread, I am going to wrap it around the pumpkin. This is to make the look of the divots in the pumpkin. What I am doing here is I'm really forcefully trying to hold it down, so that way the thread does not loosen as I wrap it around the pumpkin. After wrapping around several times, I am going to finish it off with a nice and durable knot. Once you've completed that, now it is time for the fun part. Go outside and find yourself a nice stick and hot glue it on. After the hot glue is done drying, you can either leave it as it is beautiful just this way, or you can finish it off with a beautiful ribbon of choice. These fabric pumpkins are very fun and easy to make. I'm looking forward to making many for friends and family this fall. I hope you get a chance to make them, and I also hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a happy autumn. God bless.